how to use the FanDuel Fantasy Sports app. If you want to use the FanDuel Fantasy Sports app, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the FanDuel Fantasy Sports application right here, and this is assuming that you've already went ahead and then logged in and created an account and so on. Right on the home page you'll find popular sports that you can place a bet on. You'll see a couple of offers and you'll see mini sport leagues. You'll see the type of bets. For example, this is the popular same game parlay bets. You can enter the Parlay Hub to view more. You can view a couple of odds and all the games that are currently ongoing based on the leagues and the type of sport. The second page is all sports. So if you do not find a sport that you're looking for, in that case you can come to all sports and you'll find all the sports that are available over here. If you come to my bets, you'll see any type of active or settled bets that you have created or settled within FanDuel, and you'll be able to find those details here. If you come to live now, these are the games that are currently happening and you can use live in-game betting feature as well. If you come to the account tab, these are pretty much just your account settings. You can choose to withdraw your funds from here, deposit your funds in here. You can see your playable balance, you can find your transaction history, activated statement, you can find some of your account overview settings and everything as such in this case. And this is how you can use the FanDuel Fantasy Sports application. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.